You know, they've set the scene nicely. They're nominated on the biggest platform when it comes to the continent. We couldn't be prouder of you guys. So congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, now, Ariel, tell us what was your first, what your first reaction was when you found out you were nominated alongside artists like Tiwa Savage and Yemi Alade. Go ahead.
Thank you so much. For those who doesn't know me well, my name is Ariel Bwiza. Ways on the way. Thank you. First of all, the excitements were all over, and the first question was.
The only question is, the only question is, when you found out you were nominated with the likes of Tiwa Savage and, you know, that huge artists on the continent, what was your first reaction? What did you feel?
To be honest, I can't find the right words to explain how it went down. But first of all, it's gratitude. I was really happy and thrilled. First of all, because this is a big opportunity, I know it's big, it's just big. You know, I grew up listening to different music. I'm a big fan of Tiwa Savage. So to be in a...
What about Yemi Alade? Big fan as well?
Yeah, I don't hate her, but...
You like Tiwa? You like Tiwa? Okay, we get it. Okay,
yeah.
fine.
So I was, to make it short, I was really happy and excited. I don't know.
Did you see Tiwa in action last Saturday?
What?
Did you see Tiwa perform here last Saturday?
Definitely.
What did you think of the performance?
Bro, inspirations, her vocals. I'm just like, I was there for lessons.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Ariel Ways, clap for her once again, please. All right. Now, Bwiza, this must be a huge moment in your career. What does it say, or what would you like to say to your fans that have supported you throughout the journey?
I would like to thank them because they were always there for me, and yeah, I'm walking in my dreams. I'm meeting my dreams, and I really hope that I'll be successful and I'll be champion and the biggest diva, African diva, one day. Yeah.
Nice. A little a cappella maybe, a small something, a little something.
Okay, this is my new song. I actually released it today.
Okay.
And yeah, it is called Carry Me Home. And yeah, I see my love when I look in your eyes. See you when you walk into my door. Now you're the best, I can't no deny. So be my host, or be my guest. Sing, you're the love of my life. And you're the light like a lighter. So now we do it today, tomorrow, or even the other day. Carry me home, carry me home, carry me home with you. Carry me home, carry me home, carry me home with you.
I mean, now you understand why she's nominated, right? Congratulations once again.
Thank you so
We're
much.
so proud of you as Rwandans. You're making us very proud. Photographers, please make your way. Take this is what you call an Instagrammable picture. So, and in the meantime, let me ask our speakers to please gather around.